This is the productivity hack you are going to wish that you heard about yesterday.
I'm Carolyn, owner of Bad Axe Enterprises, and this is a Marketing Minute.
Woo! Habit stacking is taking a thing that you do already and adding a new thing to that, a habit that you want to start. So, for example, if I want to be better at taking care of my hair or my face, I would do it when I brush my teeth. That's a habit that I already have, brushing my teeth. And then the new habit, part of my hair routine or something like that, added onto it, so stacking those together. For marketing, this can look like posting to your Instagram stories, the new habit, right after you make a feed post, the old habit. It's highly effective, and this is detailed in the book Atomic Habits by James Clear, which is one of the few productivity books I actually enjoyed reading. So, habit stacking.
You know what to do next.